come up, say a few words? Thank you so much. Can we get another round of applause, please? Thank you.
Good morning. I snuck in there.
Recording in progress.
I just want to say welcome, everybody. I'm not too sure where all our panelists are coming in from. But again, my name is Amanda Lathlin. I'm from Apasquiac Cree Nation. That's 6 hours north from here. And currently, the Manitoba Legislative Assembly is sitting right now. And I really want to thank Mr. Murdoch for inviting me here to speak. So as a member of the Legislative Assembly, we wear two hats, one as a representative, an MLA in our home communities, and the other hat as a legislator, amending, making laws and whatnot. And I've been at this job for 7 years, and my late father was the MLA for 18 years. He passed away in 2008, and I was elected in 2015. So pretty big shoes to fill. So with that, I've resided most of my life in northern Manitoba. I know all the issues. We live it. My family lives it. And when it comes to connectivity, we truly understood the lack of in northern Manitoba, especially when the pandemic hit. We had to scramble and pivot when it came to medical, especially with education. I can tell you, including my children, we're about 2 years behind, just probably like the rest of the world in terms of education, when we had to pivot and trying to find ways to virtually educate our children. And as many of you know, not many of our communities are equipped to do so. And it's 2022. That shouldn't be the case anymore. Northerners, folks living in rural Manitoba should have access to connectivity in terms of safety, in terms of just having the same chances that the children have here in Winnipeg. Our children in the north deserve that. We deserve that as workers as well. We deserve that as politicians as well. And I represent 17 communities. Most of them, practically all of them, are all First Nations. And I've visited every single one. And always, connectivity always gets brought up with me as their representative, as their MLA. So with you gathering here today, it's great. I have hope as a representative from a community that does, where we deal with a lot of have-nots. So with you, your brains, your connections, I have hope for Manitoba, northern Manitoba, our children mostly in education, health, telehealth, for this to happen. So thank you again. Your networking, we need your ideas in order to have this happen for our province.